everyone, Prue here from Packleo. Today I want to show you how to set up your Xbox Mini by Ranpak, found in the Packleo range. Now the first thing to know about the Xbox Mini is that it has two key elements. The Geami product, which is a 3D honeycomb paper, and a white tissue paper. Used together, they provide perfect protection and cushioning and a beautiful unboxing experience. Once you've unboxed the product, you're going to find a few things inside. Let's have a look at what they are. So the first thing that you're going to find is a sheet of guidelines, and this is a great way to help you set up the product. The second thing you'll find is your tensioner. This inserts into the side of the product and ensure that there's tension at all times so that as you pull the honeycomb product, you're getting the most out of it for cushioning. Finally, you have two ways to fix the product to your workspace. The first is a silver bracket. This inserts under the base of the product and ensures that it's nice and tight on the edge of your workspace. Your second option is to use the double adhesive strip at the bottom of the product and fix it directly onto the workspace. Now that your product is sturdy and fixed to your workspace, we need to take the stickers off both of the rolls. Next, feed both sheets of paper through the front of the product. Next, we're going to attach your tensioner to the dispenser. Simply pick up your tensioner and insert it into the side of the dispenser where you can see the white bracket. Turn your tensioner clockwise to tighten the tension on the dispenser. You can turn it anti-clockwise to loosen the tension. Let's run through a few fun facts about the self-contained dispenser while we wrap a product. The dispenser has a really small footprint, so it can be used in absolutely any workspace, no matter where you are. Second to that, it has 134 meters of expandable paper. Finally, when you finish using the product, every single part of it is recyclable, leaving absolutely nothing behind. And that's it! Your Xbox Mini is now ready to go and is the perfect eco-friendly alternative to plastic bubble wrap.